In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable personalized ads on Amazon. Personalized, also called interest-based, ads use your browsing and purchase activity to tailor the promotions you see. If you want more relevant recommendations, you can keep them on. If you prefer a little more privacy, you can turn them off. Here's how to do it clearly and confidently. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Amazon.com. This walkthrough is easiest on a desktop browser, but the steps are essentially the same wherever you sign in. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to manage. If you're not already signed in, Amazon will prompt you to do that first. Now, move your mouse to the top right corner and hover over the account menu, the area that typically says Account and Lists. When the drop-down appears, click Account. This takes you to your main account dashboard with several categories and tools. On the account page, scroll down until you reach the section labeled Communication and Content. Within that section, find and click Advertising Preferences. If you don't see it at first glance, keep scrolling. It's grouped with other communication and privacy controls. A quick tip: you can use your browser's Find feature to search for the word advertising on the page to locate it faster. You're now on the Advertising Preference page. This is where you control whether Amazon personalizes ads for you. To turn personalization off, choose the option that says, "Do not show me interest-based ads." This tells Amazon not to tailor ads based on your shopping and browsing activity. You'll still see ads, they just won't be customized to your interests. Some recommendations on Amazon may still appear based on general context, and ads you encounter outside of Amazon might be managed by other services with their own settings. If you decide you want tailored suggestions again, select Show Me Interest-Based Ads to re-enable personalization. You can switch this on or off whenever you like, and the wording may vary slightly depending on your region, but the choices will be clear. After making your selection, click Submit to save your preference. Look for a brief confirmation or a page refresh that indicates your change has been applied. Keep in mind that updates may take a little time to propagate, and they usually apply per browser or device. If you use multiple browsers, profiles, or devices, repeat these steps wherever needed to keep your settings consistent. That's it. You've just learned how to find your advertising preferences on Amazon, disable or enable personalized ads, and save the change. Adjust this setting anytime your privacy needs or shopping habits evolve so you stay in control of the ads you see.